Hello everyone, welcome to my session. In today's session, we are going to learn the ordinal numbers. So let's start. Ordinal numbers shows the position of something in a row, column or in a series, just like first, second, third, fourth and so on. Here, let us take an example of a tower. In this tower, it has 10 blocks. Let's see how to define the blocks in the tower. This is the first block. Next, second. Then third block. Then fourth block. Next, fifth. Next, sixth. Next, seventh. Next, eighth. Next, ninth. At last, we have the 10th block in the tower. In this manner, we define the position of the blocks in a tower in a vertical manner. Here, we have taken some ships and the ships are placed in a line. Let's see the position of the ships in the line. Our first shape is the oval. Next, our second shape is a square. Our third shape is a triangle. Our fourth shape is a diamond. Our fifth shape is the pentagon. Our sixth shape is a hexagon. Our seventh shape is a rectangle. Our eighth shape is a heart. Our ninth shape is a circle. Our 10th shape is a crescent. In this manner, we define the position of the shapes on a line. Now, let us learn the spellings of the ordinal numbers from 1st to 10th. First, F-I-R-S-T, fast. Then second, S-E-C-O-N-D, second. Third, T-H-I-R-D, third. Fourth, F-O-U-R-T-H, fourth. Fifth, F-I-F-T-H, fifth. Sixth, S-I-X-T-H, sixth. Seventh, S-E-V-E-N-T-H, seventh. Eighth, E-I-G-H-T-H, eighth. Ninth, N-I-N-T-H, ninth. At last, 10th, T-E-N-T-H, 10th. I hope you like the session. See you in my next session. Till then, bye.